Batty boy, Squashman member say starty war in a pussy.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Bearbeak, and today I'm going to make a video that I wouldn't normally make, but I was sick for the past few days and I just really needed to get a new update out there, so enjoy the video.
Batty boy, Squashman member say starty war in a pussy. Remember you starty war, here make sure you can done this, here pussy. Here, make sure you can done this, Batty boy. You go kill blood clot, you go send man if you go kill Busshead pussy. Believe you go say 40. Batty boy, me know exactly how Florida you're there in a pussy. You hear that? Gunshot go lick on down the pussy, all remember, you hear that pussy? That's why you can't perform on a stage show again to that Batty boy. More you bust out, more you go do on one more stage show of Florida, you say go on Batty boy. You go get it, you hear that? Shock your mother, Batty boy. And Jamal dance man. Oh, you say something Batty boy. Cause you know something about it too. You know something about it in a dance man, Jamal. You know something about it. You know something about it in a dance man. You know something about it, dance man. You try to make the boy they got dead back in a dance man. I'm telling you, you know something about it. Dance man go and go make the boy they got dead back. Here. I mean I give about by Wednesday put soul to make the boy they dead back, you know. We kill Busshead, you know. Remember me tell her that Batty boy. Else if nothing no good again, the whole place not good again. I tell her that brawling. Not no good again, not time, not day. But man nothing no beg out this a time, you know, pussy. Nothing at all no beg out, you know.
Would I go take out one loan for even $1 million? Would I give them it? Would I give them it? Me can't recognize my man. Yeah, recognize my man face. Me going from 2019. I'm gonna kill him and me can't see face. He knows, him eye, him mouth, everything. Just yes, God. No else. Just yes, just in my face. Just yes, no face. Just yes, it knows, it mouth, everything just gone. Yes, him tattoo, work. If one didn't want $1 million, would I go no it, would I give anybody, would I give. I swear, my man, when me know from 2019, when I recognize him face, him eye, him nose, him mouth, him eye, him nose, him forehead, gone. Me never knows him. I'm tattoo. Him tattoo, me know him. Him tattoo, me know sa him. Him face, everything. Me know sa him. Him car key, everything. Him tell me say I go do him here today. Me say don't go upon a live. You know the salon and your ear. Mr. Marvin, don't go upon a live and your ear. Today your birthday. I forgot about Monday. I don't know what tell me say him dead, and if you pick me up Monday, and I pray to God, Mr. God, please don't make ever in my life experience nothing like this. Don't make me go through nothing like this. That was my only fear. I said, God, please don't put me through this. I can't deal with it. That's why I'm gonna get to nobody. I'm gonna get to nobody too close. From 2019, didn't know. I wanna kill him. Tell him I'm gonna recognize him. If we didn't want $1 million, but I couldn't.
I can't sit down in a car, no hear from me. Cause I can't don't get paid shit black night. Me got here tell her. You hear me tell her? But just through the car open, put it in my bag. I go towards barber shop, then say, alright, maybe I wear this. But the car was being watched. You hear me? From the park there. Bro, she not even know my youth. We just want to discuss up. I mean, I want the turnout to be like this. They got there to come. You know, like why?
Oh, so and I have phone up. Okay.
Because I remember now, we just do here at Sunshine Plaza. Walk straight up the road and go down in a lane. They see where you would turn in a long lane to go back parade.
Yeah.
We have to straight down to Union Street, but by the end of the day, we don't make it this because somebody coming up to kill me, bro.
So a man approaching back and front.
I would say side. Because I remember in 10 o'clock, I say, yo, got the fuck. Oh, no one has somebody. I go to get one shot in a say, first shot.
I said that.
And if I go down, I be a thing for him, bro.
So what one person did?
Then, it's not from behind. You understand? Yeah.
No, got it. The boy dressed up like a police. I don't have enough pizza. The boy dressed up like a police.
Not if you did, bro. You understand? Yeah.
I say turn on TikTok and make some people listen to the gospel, yeah. You know what I mean? Boy, it don't look good, bro. It don't look good, bro. And bro, John, dog. I don't know. It's sad, bro. And I think why it's sad and I feel it so because you can spend so many time to prepare for your birthday.
There's lots of pillows over here, so I don't know.
And within 2 hours, dog, birthday dog dead, you know? Because joy dog did have. Same like how when I did at Jamaica, man, the same joy when I did have. You know? Sad, man. Feel it, dog. Feel it, dog. Feel it, dog, bro. I really feel it, dog, bro. I feel it, bro. I not lie. The one I feel it. Although me and him never really talk, but I think I birthday party, dog, they are preparing himself for. I really feel it. I feel it, dog, I swear.
Now it's Aubrey's turn.
I don't know how I feel it, sir.
Well, people, that is it for the video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bird Nation, stay sharp.